It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado LT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Colorado. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, a cup holder, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with a cloth interior. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls and voice commands. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above, some interior light buttons and a place to store your sunglasses, OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is Chevrolet's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. Climate control buttons with air conditioning, trailer mode, traction control, box lighting, lane departure alert, some USB plugins, and no-slip matting. At the front of the Colorado, we have black tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, remote start, black running boards down below, a tonneau cover, the rear window slider, and 4x4. We also have the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has our easy lift and lower tailgate. In the box of the truck is a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The back of our center console has two USB plugins and a small storage compartment. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're also able to raise the rear seat up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado LT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.